install or adjust the mask adapter, you first remove the inner lining of the helmet. Now open the main screws at the helmet. Then you can loosen the helmet band and the face shield and remove the cover. The cover can now be replaced with a mask adapter, which can now be individually adjusted in 4 positions. To adjust the mask adapter, remove the screw with an Allen key. If you need a new hole, simply push it through with the help of an Allen key at the predetermined breaking point. Afterwards, you can reassemble and fix the mask adapter on your desired position. Put a drop of Loctite 542 on the thread. Now the adapter can be mounted onto the helmet. Make sure that the locking mechanism snaps into place at the rear. Reinsert the face shield and the helmet band and fasten the mask adapter. The inner lining can now be reinstalled. The mask adapter is now properly installed. Depending on the need for the pulling direction, you can use the mask adapter in standard position or simply swap both sides for more upward pull.